everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, reviews, features of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. One category of food is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policy. No need to book it. You can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.